In this video, I'll show you how to perform a Kaplan-Meier survival analysis in Python comparing a control group and a treated group. The resulting plots are publication ready and can be used directly in any high-impact journals or any presentations. So let's start by importing the libraries we need. Pandas will handle our dataset. Lifelines provides the Kaplan estimator, and Matplotlib is used for the plotting. Next, we load a small dataset from a CSV file. In our case, we generated the data. This file contains 3 columns: time, which is the follow-up time; events, which is 1 if the event occurred, and 0 if the event did not occur; and group, which labels each patient to be part of either the control group or the treated group. Next, we create a KaplanMeierFitter object from the lifelines library. We define 2 simple Boolean masks. One selects all the rows of the patients that are in the control group, and the other selects all rows of the treated group. We then create a Matplotlib figure and axis so that both survival curves will be drawn on the same plot. First, we fit the Kaplan-Meier estimator to the control group only. We pass the time values for control patients as the duration and the corresponding event values as the event indicator. We label this curve control and then call plot to draw the control survival curve on our axis. Next, we repeat the same steps for the treated group. We fit the estimator using the treated patients, times, and events, label the curve treated, and plot it on the same axis. Finally, we set the x-axis label to time, the y-axis label to survival probability, and give the figure a clear title. The result is a clean publication-ready Kaplan-Meier plot showing survival over time in the control and treated groups. It's ready to be used in any high-impact journal or any presentation that you might need. So that's the complete workflow for generating a Kaplan-Meier survival curves in Python using the lifelines library. With just a few lines of code, you can load your data, separate your groups, and produce clear, publication-ready survival plots suitable for any journal or any presentation. You can easily build on this by adding confidence intervals, running log rank tests, or moving to Cox regression for more advanced survival modeling. If you'd like to see more examples or tutorials, whether on survival analysis, statistics, or machine learning, just leave a comment and let me know what you want covered next. Thank you for watching.